Hey, what's up guys, I'm Avinash Ratnaji and in today's video, we will learn about mutual funds. So without any further ado, let's get started. You have some savings in your bank account, you do not have any urgent use of those money and you will keep that money in bank for some years. So the bank will give you 4% interest depending on your savings amount. But it is very less compared to the inflation rate and the inflation rate is about 6 to 7%. Now for those who don't know what is inflation rate, every year the prices of goods and services increase by some percentage. Earlier some product was of rupees 10, now it became rupees 11. So the rate at which the prices increase is called as inflation rate. Banks offer you 4% and inflation rate is about 6 to 7%. So the value of your money kept in your savings bank account is decreasing by 2 to 3% every year. So you should learn to make money from money. That is, you should learn to invest your money and grow it. Now some people keep their money in savings account, which is absolutely a bad idea. Some people invest in fixed deposits where they get up to 7% interest. It is a good option. Some people buy gold, silver or other jewelry. Some people invest in real estates. But for buying jewelry or investing in real estates, you need lots of money. Some people invest in stock market, but before investing you should have proper knowledge about it. There is higher risk in investing your money in stock market and as there is higher risk, the returns are also more. But you should do proper research before investing in stock market. So now the question is, where can you invest your money? If you want to generate some passive income but don't want to do research and all, or you don't have time, you already have lots of office work to do daily, or if you are a student and you may have only rupees 500 to 2000 a year as savings, then you can invest in mutual funds. You may have heard this or seen in some advertisements. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully. Now what is mutual funds? Mutual means group of people. Funds here mean investment. So mutual funds is where people invest their money in AMCs, asset management companies, and there are experts in AMCs who will collectively invest everyone's money in shares, bonds or commodities in diversified manner. The asset management companies collect money from people and invest your money in diversified way. They have experts to do all these things who will continuously monitor this money and make necessary changes if needed. Currently, some of the best AMCs in India are ICICI Prudentials, HDFC, Aditya Birla Sun Life, and there are many other AMCs in the market. Now one thing you should understand here is, higher the risk, the return is more. Lower the risk, the return is less. There are different types of mutual funds. Some have low risk and some have high risk. So the returns vary from 7% to 15%. Now what are the types of mutual funds? Some of the major mutual funds are equity funds, debt funds and hybrid funds. Now equity means investment in stock. Now you will ask, I can directly invest in stock market. Why should I invest here? People who want to invest in stock market but don't have knowledge about it and want some expert who will invest and monitor their money to avoid risks, they will invest in equity mutual funds. Equity funds have higher returns as they invest more in stocks, so the risk is also high. If you have some long-term goals for 5 to 10 years or more, you can invest in equity funds. Sometimes government or companies take loan from banks. In exchange they keep their bonds or other securities in the bank and they also pay some interest with it. Debt funds invest in government securities, bonds and corporate debentures. Here the risk is low but the returns are also less than equity funds. If you have some short-term goals and require money anytime within 1 to 3 years, you can invest in debt funds. Hybrid funds are a combination of both equity and debt funds. So here the risk is less than equity funds and income is more than debt funds. If you have some midterm goals which may be between 3 to 5 years, you should invest in hybrid funds. You can invest accordingly depending upon your plans. You want to buy a car or house, or you are planning to go for a vacation, or you want to save some money to do business in future. Now, where can I find these mutual funds? You will find them in some regular apps that you use like PhonePe or Paytm. Paytm offers Paytm Money, or there are other apps like Grow, or there are some banks like Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank who will provide their own services. Or you can go to mutualfundsahihai.com and check out the list of all mutual funds and other details related to them. Now, what things you should check before investing in mutual funds? Number 1, returns. How much returns do you get per annum? Number 2, risks. Check whether it is a high risk or low risk mutual fund. Number 3, fees or charges. Management or transaction charges or any other charges. Number 4, performance. Check its performance of last 5 to 10 years. Number 5, lock-in period. For how much time period should you keep your money? Saving your money will not make you rich. Investing it smartly will make you rich. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.